Alright, I'm going to go over how to install the demo content for the theme. So when you first install it, you'll notice that it just has the one sample post from WordPress. And let's just dive right in. So the first thing we're going to do is import the content, and that's done under Tools and Import. And we're going to click on WordPress since that's what we're doing. And if you haven't done this before, you'll get prompted to install this importer. Go ahead and just install that and then activate and run. And then from there, you're going to browse and you're going to look under the download from ThemeForest under the folder additional files and then live preview files. And then there's 3 files under there. We're looking for the theme import.xml. Import it, click open, and then upload file and import. And then you can either add in a username or use an existing one. That's really up to you up there. But the important one is you're going to want to select download and import it. File attachments, so you get the images. So go ahead and click submit after this, and it should be pretty quick. It will let you know once it is completed with a message. So there we go, we got all done. Have fun. There are still a couple more steps though. The next thing we want to do is import the widgets. So under widget importer and exporter, we're going to browse again, and under the download, again under that same folder, additional files, live preview files, you're going to import the widget import this time. And then go ahead and import those widgets, and it should be pretty darn quick once it's done with that. And then the last thing we're going to import is the slider. So that's under Revolution Slider. We're going to click import slider, again browse to that same folder, select the there's only one .zip file in there, it's named slider, and import it. And now we have the slider. And if you go to your home page, you won't be quite finished yet. It won't look much better, but don't worry, everything is there. We just have to tell WordPress where it's at. So then we're going to tell it where the menu is. So under Appearance and Menus, all we need to do is go under Manage Locations and select Main Navigation. Click Save Changes, and that brings up the navigation. And then under Tools or Settings and Reading, we're going to change Front Page Displays to a static page, which is Home Page for front and News for the post page. Save those, and then we're completed with the import. So then you have your import, your slider shows up perfectly, and you have some demo images and some minor explanations, and everything has examples for you already set up. So it's pretty nice. One thing to note is the navigation for the testimonial services don't show up. We can manually add those in really quickly. Just go under Appearance Menus, and under Screen Options, select Post Type Archives, close Screen Options, and they're under Post Type Archives now, and you can just select them and add them to your menu. I just added them to the wrong menu. But under Main Navigation, you can select the main navigation. And under Post Types, we can just add those. Just like the live preview. So then now you have your various post types. And then the last thing to go over is this right here is called a breadcrumb, and it is controlled under Settings and Breadcrumb, and you can just click this migrate. It just lets you know. And under the home page breadcrumb, you just find and replace this with the one in the documentation right here.